Whoa! Did you hear that? Those are sounds of animals. Today, we shall study the different kinds of animals. We shall classify them if they are farm animals. Farm animals are animals that live in the farm. They are also called livestock. They are also considered production animals, used for milk, cheese, leather, wool, and many other things. Like pigs, chickens, ducks, horse, sheep, cows, and goats. Now let's try to identify animals that belong to the group. Which are farm animals? Duck, goat, cow, pig, chicken. Good job, kids! Now it's time to answer the pages in your book.